Hard-working. Fuels hair with a potent blend of Pro-V nutrients and antioxidants so hair is shiny and hydrated. Long-lasting. Gently cleanses and conditions with a vitamin-rich formula with 2x more nutrients, with results that last 72+ hours. Shine with every wash. Nourish color-treated hair to fight fade and restore shine with every wash. Root to tip nourishment. These powerful radiant color shine formulas work together to hydrate colored hair, helping to protect color and reveal shiny, vibrant hair. Ingredients. Shampoo. Water, sodium lauryl sulfate, glycol distearate, sodium chloride, Cocamidopropyl betaine, fragrance, sodium citrate, sodium Xylenesulfonate, Dimethiconol, Dimethicone, sodium benzoate, Guar Hydroxypropyltrimonium chloride, TEA-Dodecylbenzenesulfonate, citric acid, Tetrasodium EDTA, TRIDECETH10, Histidine, Panthenol, Panthenyl ethyl ether, Methylchloroisothiazolinone, Methylisothiazolinone conditioner, water, cetyl alcohol, Stearamidopropyl dimethylamine, glycerin, stearyl alcohol, glutamic acid, Bis-Aminopropyl dimethicone, sodium chloride, fragrance, citric acid, benzyl alcohol, disodium EDTA, phenoxyethanol, histidine, panthenol, Panthenol ethyl ether, Methylchloroisothiazolinone, Methylisothiazolinone treatment, N.A. Directions. Shampoo. Massage into wet hair. Lather. Rinse. For best results, use with Pantene conditioner. Conditioner. Massage into wet hair after shampooing, paying special attention to ends. Rinse thoroughly. Treatment. Dispense ampule into hand, apply from mid-length to ends. Rinse thoroughly. Top reviews from the United States. Back to healthy. I was in search for a shampoo, conditioner at a decent price that would be good for my hair after it was bleached and colored. Let's just say this. I found it. My hair is back to healthy after just 2 washings.